Hi everyone, today we are looking at a question like this. As you can see over here, it says that figure 1 shows a rectangular sheet of paper. So this is figure 1. It is then folded on one side as shown in figure 2. Whenever a question does any folding, you must understand which part is folded. Okay, so as you can see over here, based on the arrow, I have folded from here inwards. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, once I'm done with that, right, I can move on to sentence number 2. It says that the area of the shaded part is 27 centimeters square. So which is 27 centimeters square? They are referring to this shaded part. Okay, now your job as a student is to always make sure your measurements are all written down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to not aggressively, but I'm just going to quickly write down all of these measurements, okay? So I know exactly, the measurements itself, okay? Now, my question to you is, do I know what is this? I do not know, but I know that this is the breadth of the shaded part. Then you realize that the area of the shaded part is 27, right? Isn't it true to say that the area of shaded is actually equals to write out the formula L times B and then fill up what you have. Okay, you have 27 as the area. The length we know is 9. Isn't it true that this is the length of the shaded? Yes, Now, and therefore, of course, you can find what is your breadth, right? You see breadth is over here. So 9 times what gives me 3? Or you can do 27 divided by 9. Alright, so 9 times 3 gives me 27, right? So therefore, the breadth has to be 27 divided by 9, and therefore this is 3. And if you say that this is 3, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove the B over there and I'm going to turn this to 3. Okay. Now, do you remember that it is folded? Which means to say this part is also the same. This has to be 3 as well. Because if I were to fold something and if I were to unfold it, you realize that they cover the same area. So therefore, I know that this is 3. Now, then the question wants us to find the area of the rectangular sheet of paper, right? To find the area of the rectangular sheet of paper, very simple. I just need to have my L and my B, isn't it? So what's my L? My L is basically whatever that is over here. So I'm just going to show it to you, whatever that is over here. And what is my B? My B is whatever that is over here. So therefore, my L, as you can see over here, is 5 and 3 and 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 times 9. And therefore, my answer for this question has to be 99 centimeters square.